Hi everyone, it's Norma and it's Sunday. I got a lot to do, so we're just gonna jump right in. So I'm feeling kind of tired today, so I usually start with the laundry. That kind of gets me moving and gets the blood flowing. And once I'm up and moving, I always feel a lot better. So the next thing I'm tackling is my living room. It's not really too bad, just some things that I left out. My nursing bag I worked yesterday, so I had my bag out and I didn't put it away, so I cleaned that out and then I start working on my bookshelves. So I'm really excited about decorating for Halloween. Hopefully you were able to watch my last video about my Halloween haul. But today's video, I'm just cleaning. I needed to get my house back on track and ready to go for all the new decorations.
Take me on a treasure hunt.
I don't think my dog was very happy about getting kicked off the couch.
Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me.
So I'm only off on Sunday. Sunday's my only day off. I have a Monday through Friday job, 40 hours, and then I do 8 hours every Saturday at a nursing home, which I really enjoy, but that only leaves me one day to get all my stuff together, so I really can't slack off. I gotta keep things moving.
So I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later, dear, for many of us. I promise you that we learn through the wrongs and even the rough can be.
It's just so crazy to me how quickly dust builds up on furniture and bookshelves and collectibles. Seems like I can dust every day and there'll still be dust. I exaggerate. I don't dust every day. I'm lucky to get once a week.
So I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. It's gonna take some time to get there. Fire.
So how do you guys decorate for Halloween? Do you leave some of your fall stuff up? I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave some of the fall stuff and just add little touches of Halloween. That's what I say right now because I do have quite a bit of Halloween stuff to put up. We'll see what I do.
You don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You know.
And if you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. It really helps my channel and I appreciate it. I love making new friends. All friends are welcome. And leave me a comment with your name and where you're from. I would really like to get to know you better.
And the moment comes when I fall and time goes slow. I fall into you. I fall into you. Hey, I wish I could show you more. 'Cause baby, you deserve some more. But still you're here and that's what I adore. Should've told you straight away everything I have to say. But I'm afraid and I know you haven't noticed. You know you.
So September was a really busy month for us. It is every September. We have so many birthdays. It's mine, my son, my sister, and both my husband's mother and father. So it seemed like every weekend we had something to do.
Time goes slow, and I won't let it rush. When I see you dance, and the moment comes when I fall, and time goes slow. I fall into you.
So do you guys have routines that you keep up your housework all week long? Or do you do it on a Saturday or a Sunday? Give me a comment. Leave me a comment. I'd like to know how you clean your house.
I fall into you.
And I made us quite a big breakfast, so I had quite a bit to clean up today. We like to eat a late breakfast, but we like a big breakfast. That way we just eat breakfast and lunch, 2 meals a day. That way it's not so much cooking. Makes it easier.
Take to be happy. How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone? Before you get to meet someone like you? How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go when you're fed up with mistakes? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow.
And I'm just packing up the leftovers so my husband can have during the week for breakfast.
All that I have now, I won't let you.
Any way we can save a minute, it sure helps.
In you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Take me away. I'm okay.
And I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's Falling Leaves. I think that's the name of the scent. But it really smells good. The house smells like that for quite a while after I clean the countertops with it. So I'm really enjoying it.
All of my scars start to heal when I'm with you, and I can't explain how I feel when I'm with you. Just give a little bit of your heart, give a little bit of your heart to me. Just come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it Baby, if I got you, we don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Baby, I just found the answers. Baby, I just found the answers in you.
And the dining room's not too bad either. I just really needed to wipe down the table in the coffee bar, so that went quickly. And now all that's left is the vacuum and mopping. I think I've said this before, I usually try to vacuum on Tuesday and Friday and then mop on Friday, but neither of that happened this week. I didn't get any vacuuming done. And I really like vacuuming. To me, that's like what makes the biggest difference in the way that my house looks when it looks clean. If I vacuum, it looks so much different, and it smells so much different too, I guess because of the dogs. I'm not sure, but just a vacuumed house smells cleaner to me. And I don't have a really, really big house, but it's all tile, so it takes forever to vacuum and mop.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling.
And this is where I'm storing all my new Halloween decorations.
Once you've seen all the things, all the places.
And now the mopping. I'm almost done. I've been using that e-cloth mop for several years now, maybe 3 or 4. I really enjoy it. I usually mop maybe 3 or 4 times with the e-cloth mop, and then I'll go back through. I have the I forgot what is Bissell, I think it is. I forgot what it's called. Pretty sure it's Bissell, the one that vacuums and mops at the same time. So sometimes I'll do that to get a really deep clean, and sometimes I'll just bust out my spin mop. How do you guys mop? Leave me a comment below and let me know. Do you have an e-cloth mop like I do, or do spin mop? Let me know what your favorite way to mop is.
I hope I'll be your destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
And that's it. I'm all done. Here's what my clean spaces look like. I'm all ready to decorate for Halloween. And now I can go through the bins of stuff that I had from last year. And I'm excited to use my new stuff too.